am super excited to be here for some reason. I am not a techie person. Alas, I have found myself in possession of a 3D printer, and we can all thank my wonderful husband for that. Oh, that's right, I'm supposed to try to talk with a better voice. Aren't we all thankful that we finally upgraded to an actual microphone? Isn't that better? I think it's a lot better. I don't know what you guys do for Christmas or whatnot. I don't really do all that much, honestly. And that could be a long story. Basically,
when I grew up, my siblings and I, we weren't allowed to celebrate Christmas. Once I became an adult, I was like, I'm gonna rebel and celebrate Christmas.
I know, so scandalous.
And then the more I looked into Christmas later on, it was like, why? I don't understand a lot of the things that are associated with it, and it doesn't really align with what the fact that it's so commercialized is a big turnoff for me, so I just don't really get into it much anymore. It is sunny and 50 degrees. It's been like that for 2 weeks, and it's gonna be like that for another week. And it's very, very strange. I don't understand it. I grew up out in the boonies in Minnesota. I'm used to a very snowy winter and very cold. I'm going to print off snowflakes, many of them, and decorate my little corner. I have a little corner in this house where it's my zone. It's lacking in beauteousness. It's very much lacking, and I need to amp it up, especially for Christmas vibes. You know, I'm not really into the Santa. I'm not into Santa. I don't know Santa, but I do miss the snow. I miss cold winter, which is really strange because usually I'm always freezing. But you know, I've gained some weight, so I have some meat on my bones. So now the cold, it does not bother me so much, and I miss the cold. I miss the winter. I want to put on my brand new snow pants that I bought this fall, and I want to put on my snow pants, and I want to trudge to 4 feet of snow. I want that. That is why I'm going to print snowflakes and put them in my corner.
I have nothing else to say. Screen capture has begun. And I have to remember not to print in the middle of the print bed because we still have our bad one. Now, can I just do like so many of these like this? It's looking pretty good, my dudes. 130, what do you think?
Hey, how's it going?
I was gonna have you check this.
Perfect.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.